Hey, welcome to the show. I just got the Supershieldz glass. It's a tempered glass for the Galaxy 5 right here. So the overall installation instructions are pretty easy. You get your alcoholic wipe, wipe off your watch. Then you use the cloth to get any of the wetness from the alcoholic wipe off and the dust. And then you'll use a sticker and you place that over your watch to get any lint that might be there. Then you go ahead and get your protector. I recommend getting those little stickers that you can put on the sides, so it can help you guide to put the protector on the watch. I was trying to film this at the time, so when I laid the protector over the watch, it was a little bit off, but I was able to move it before it, stuck on there. So I was able to adjust it. So overall, it was a pretty easy installation. Comes with 3 screen protectors, so if you do mess up, you can always use another one, or if it gets scratched or ruined through the year. I've been using one on my other watch for a whole year, and I have had no problem with it. I haven't had it scratched or broken, so I feel really confident with this brand. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Adios. Goodbye.